Welcome back everyone. Today is another PlannerKate haul video, and these launched in early October, and they are the December 2020 kits. And I did pick up some of the new doodles and the new Gen Plans script as well. So if you're interested in seeing what she released, keep watching. Okay, let's jump right in and start with the kits first. So these are the December 2020 kits, and what I'm excited about is these are the last kits before the kit changes happen. So Kate changes up her kits starting in January. So this next release in November, she'll be releasing the January 2021 kits, and they will look different than these. She has some font changes, the samplers look different, the add-ons are different. She's offering some options for like the cloth and paper inserts, as well as the plum paper planner. So if you are interested in seeing those changes, head on over to her Facebook group, which I will link down below, and you can see those changes. So here are the kits, and we'll start with kit 264. The first two are full kits instead of mini kits, which just simply means that there are monthly options for these kits, as well as some of the budget shells. And then the last four kits that you see are mini kits, so all the weekly kit options and the add-ons are there, but they don't have monthly options or the budget shells. So 264 is called Merry Christmas, Y'all, and it looks like this. This is the sampler page, and I did grab the ombre full boxes, the washi, and the full boxes, along with the matching washi and the add-ons. So this might seem a little bit excessive, and it is, but I'm having a little bit of a planner dilemma. I was using an Erin Condren, so I keep getting these strip headers, but I found that when I'm in my plum paper, these individual headers work a little bit better. So I've been getting those as well. And then the thick washi, this works well in either the plum paper or the Erin Condren planner. And then I use these on my sidebar. They are the vertical bottom bars. They're really made for the Erin Condren vertical planner, but I use these in my plum paper on the sidebar or the bottom bar. They work well on either of those places. The thin washi, the sidebar add-on, the event labels, some basic labels, the budget checklists, the icons, the scallops, and then I have been picking up both versions of the hourly checklist. This is for the 2019-2020 Erin Condren planner. This is for the 2020-21. I just like having these options because the stickers on the bottom are different than the checklists. So I've been getting both of those as well. And then I did choose this kit as my monthly kit as well. So I picked up that sheet for my plum paper planner. All right, the next full kit is kit 265. It's called Cold Outside. So I got all of those same add-ons. I'll flip through those for you. Both headers and both checklist options, and then, oops, of course the washi, and this is what the kit looks like. So you have the sampler page and the ombre boxes, washi, and the full boxes. All right, the next kits are mini kits. So again, these have the same weekly options, but they don't have the monthly option or the budget shells. So here's a quick peek at those add-ons. Isn't this perfect? Definitely will be using this thick washi. And then the washi. And then every time I order, I swear I forget something. So for this kit, I did not get the sampler sheet, so I went ahead and added that to my cart for my next order. So I don't have that to show you, and I'm sorry. That was just an error on my part. But I do have the washi strips and the ombre boxes and the full boxes. Next up is mini kit 267, which is called Winter Blooms. And then this is what the sampler looks like for this kit. And the washi and the full boxes. And then we have mini kit 268, which is called The Night Before Christmas. Oh, I forgot this. This is the washi for the last kit, and then this is the washi for this kit 268. So we have all those add-ons. Isn't that perfect? And then this is what the sampler looks like. And I love this. She has these flags labeled with the Christmas Eve and the Merry Christmas. I thought that was a nice touch. And then the last kit for December was mini kit 269 called Holly Berry. So hopefully as I'm flipping through this, you kind of get an idea of which add-ons you would like to use in your planner. You definitely don't need all of them unless you use a bunch of stickers, which is totally fine. It's personal preference. Or, you know, some people just plan with just the sampler sheet, but I like that Kate offers the full sheets and the add-ons because then you can really get just what you need for your planning needs. So those are all of the December kit items that launched, and now I want to show you a couple of other items that I am excited about. Okay, so you know when you order, you get some samplers. I actually placed 2 separate orders to get all of this in my Etsy cart to fit. So these are the freebies that came with my order. And then you always get this business card that has her coupon code on the back. And then this was released maybe a few weeks ago, but I hadn't placed an order, so I just left it in my cart for this specific order, and that is the Sticker Stash book. This is a nice thick cover, just like the same material as her albums. And what you have inside are a bunch of pages where you could take leftover stickers and put them down. So let me just show you real quick on one of these. So if I had a kit left over, I could take these stickers off and put them on here. And have them all organized, you know, however you wanted to do that. And then they come right off very easily, and you're able to kind of keep your leftover stickers stored that way. So I thought that was a really smart idea, a good product. And then she also released 2 special glitter washies, one in the Erin Condren stripe. So this is a glitter washi. It's hard to see the glitter, but it is glitter washi. And then one in the PlannerKate. So I picked that up. And then I'm really excited about her new labels. So this is my script binder, and she released these labels. So I'm gonna take off my handwritten ones. They just slide out like that. And I'm gonna be using these. And what I love about this is that she has the option, you know, all of these are in the Jen Plans font, but for her font A, B, C, D, and E, she has them either in the Jen Plans font so you can match all of your writing, or I'm going to be using these because then I can see at a glance looking at my tabs what the font actually looks like. So this first one right here This was my Gen Plan section, but I had so many of them, I put them in their own album. So that's why that section's empty. But this was font A. So if I take font A and put that on here, then I can easily see, like this will be font B. I can see what that font looks like if you don't have them memorized before I flip to that section. So I thought that was really nice. Okay, let's jump into the other items that I ordered. This was a Doodle Girl that I had missed that says no spend. And then we're gonna jump into the Doodle collection. I do pick up the colorful and the neutral option of all the sheets. So again, if you want one of these, you can just search this sticker number in the shop and they'll come up. Shopping carts. And a washer. Dumbbells. A toolbox. Those are super cute. And then I had a video up about these basic labels, and if you watch that, you remember that I forgot to order the last 5 or 6 colors, so I went ahead and added those to this order so that that collection will be complete. I'll now have these basic labels in every PlannerKate color. I think there's 24 or 25 of them. And then we're gonna jump right into the Gen Plan releases. These were her last Gen Plan's script release. So again, I get these in the colorful and the neutral. So we have meal prep and laundry, meal plan, meeting, and pay bills. Okay guys, so that was a huge haul. Doodles, Gen Plans, washi, as well as all of the kits. But I hope you enjoyed flipping through those stickers with me. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask below and I'll get back to you. Thanks for watching and happy planning.